Jobs, which is one of the important thing that every youth, every graduate who comes out of college thinks about it. But in this video, I'm not just talking about jobs. It can be internship. It can be any freelancing opportunity, any project opportunity, or any it might be any full-time or part-time job or night shift job or any kind of thing, any kind of engagement, if I can call in a very simple word. Now, how do you select that job? How do you select that internship? How do you select that freelancing project? And is there any framework which I can give you people so that whenever you are selecting any job or whenever you are selecting any kind of freelance or internship opportunity, that can help you people to ease the process of selecting it. And there is a beautiful framework given by Dr. Pawan Soni, and I am explaining that in a very simpler way. It's a very long book and a detailed research paper, but I am making it very simple so that you people can understand it. Now, there are only three things that you have to consider whenever you are selecting any kind of engagement. And here, the meaning of engagement is any work, job, freelancing or project or anything. So I'm putting it as an engagement. The three things is, first is, assume that you got a call from Infosys. And assume that they are paying only 5,000 rupees, or assume that you got a call from Microsoft or McKinsey, Tech Mahindra or Accenture or big any MNCs or startups or which is a popular brand in market. Whenever you get an opportunity to work with those people, when you are associating with and when you are getting an opportunity where you can get associated with the brand, please consider it very, very strongly, because if you have a brand in your portfolio, that creates a great impression when you are working with any new company. The reason is, whenever you join these brands, they are big companies, and big companies have great structures. They have very good discipline, a hierarchy system, and they have very good protocols, and they maintain well documents, and you will learn a lot of things because you have industry experts working in those companies. So you might be learning a lot of things. So brand will always help you and in growing your profile, and also helps you to, getting good job. So that is one thing. If you are getting any job or any work, internship or freelance opportunities with brand, you can easily select. Second is knowledge. For example, assume that the company is not a great brand, but if you work in that company, the chances of you getting great knowledge will be high. At that time, please consider those kind of companies, because you might get good companies. You might get good company in the colleagues might be talented. They might teach you something. If the company is giving you a lot of opportunities and tools and which you can't afford and learn, now company have purchased that tool and they'll give you access to learn that tool. And if you're working in that company, maybe the professionally and personally there is a beautiful growth, you can consider that. And last is, I don't know, this is a point that I can tell, but assume that you are in bad need of money and you have to support your family. At that time, the third important consideration that you can consider is money. Assume that the company is paying you good salary, and and assume that it's not what you love to do or like to do, but still assume that payment is very high. At that time, you can consider. And if there is a bad need of money at that time for you, then you have to consider that. But I would strongly recommend you that if you are working, if you are getting any opportunity where knowledge and brand is amalgamated, and if you are getting into those kind of companies, chances of you growing will be very high. Now, what if all these three things are not there with your new engagement? Now there is one chance where you can accept it, either by the pressure or you have some emotional connection with the person who is giving it. So now it's your call. If you want to handle it and if you want to support them and help them, then it's up to you. So that's called support or help when you have your free time. But if not, if you are serious about your career growth, then I would strongly recommend you to consider this framework, where either it should have a brand which can help you in personal profile growth, or it should impact in your skill set, where you learn lot of knowledge from the company, or it should give you good financial support. So these three can be a consideration points or parameters whenever you select any kind of engagement. Hope this video helps you in future whenever you try to apply for any company or whenever you get any new opportunity. Thank you all. Let's teach to learn.